If you wanna lock your Facebook profile, then keep watching the video till the end. You can lock your Facebook profile in two ways, and here in this video, I'm gonna show you both the ways. So in the first method to lock your Facebook profile, just click on the trillion icon in the top right corner. Now you will see a settings icon there, so click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling down. And now under the audience and visibility section, here is the profile locking option. So click here. Now just before locking your profile, you should know some terms and conditions. I mean, what will happen to your account if you lock your profile. So here are 3 conditions that will happen to your account if you lock your Facebook profile. Number 1, only your friends will see the photos and stories on your profile. Number 2, only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. Number 3, people will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. And if you agree with these terms and conditions, just click on lock your profile at the bottom. Now you will see a notification popping up at the bottom. You locked your profile. Just click on OK. Now I'm gonna show you the second method to lock your profile. Now after opening your Facebook profile, look at the top left corner. You'll see your profile icon there. So click on it. And now the right side of this middle section, here is a 3-dot icon. So click here. Now the lock profile option is here. So click on it. Again, you'll be redirected to the same page. Just click on lock your profile at the bottom. Just click on OK. Now besides locking your profile, you should know the way of unlocking it. So now I'm gonna show you how can you unlock your locked profile. So to unlock your profile, just click on this 3-dot icon again. And now click on unlock profile. So to unlock your profile, just click on the unlock button. Profile is unlocked now. Just click on OK. So this was the process to lock and unlock your Facebook profile. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.